kittens.
Oh, you are so adorable. Everyone's like, here, you want to play with this, right? Oh, I think she wants to get out.
Oh, don't leave me, please. My only friend. Oh, look at the little orange one just running around. Let's say hi.
Hi.
Hey there, baby.
Oh.
Hi, baby.
Oh, she's so adorable.
Oh, don't leave me. Why do they always leave? I can't even chase them.
She's going over there. Oh, she's going back over the corner. Oh.
Like my kitty.
Oh God. We got an orange tabby. We got an orange kitty.
I want 12.
I've got 2 at home. I miss them so much.
For homecoming, my parents are bringing my new kittens.
Oh.
You look like my
Kittens are adorable.
Can I hold the orange baby? Okay.
Oh, that one without a tail is still trying to get into that corner. Poor thing. Oh.
You look just like
Oh,
my
she's so
baby
cute.
boy.
She's so tiny.
Mister. Okay, just like my baby boy, but with the personality of my baby girl, right? Right, Diddlin?
Oh my God. Oh.
It's a purr machine, by the way. That's a purr machine. Look at that. Oh, look, another one that looks like my baby boy. Oh, so many that look like my baby boy.
Oh, he's so tiny.
Somebody bring Pockets to me.
Where's my
Pockets?
My cat's name is Pockets.
That's adorable. Mine is Nimmy.
Oh my
Zoe,
goodness.
but
She's so
everyone's
comfortable. Oh, she's staring right at you. Oh, she's so cute. And that black one's still going crazy.
Dude, that black one is fucking adorable.
Oh. Two kitties just met right there.
Are they best friends? Are they
I have no idea, but that one's just like hopping around now.
You were kind of really comfortable right now.
She looks like she's just like, oh,
From being like, I want to be all the places to, I am perfectly fine.
I am fine right here. Look at that. Look at the happiness on that face. She is such a happy kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Focus, camera. Focus. Hi, hon. Aww. You are adorable. You are so adorable.
She's so sad.
She's like, I don't want to go anywhere. I am perfectly fine right here. Oh. She's like, do not tease me with such stuff, human. No. Oh God, that's what's in the. Oh my God. Oh, now they're all gonna be high.
To be honest, this is in the least.
It's wonderful.
I'm in the least pain that I've been in all week. If the camera hasn't seen, I'm crippled.
Yeah, I haven't really zoomed in on that. I've just been focused.
Yeah, you look like my boy. Just less white on the stomach, and then you're my boy. These are the best cats.
Oh my goodness. She's like, I want whatever's in here.
Don't cry on my face.
It's the babies. Look, it's fine. What are you doing? I'm going.
Oh my God, look at those claws.
Can I have?
Look at those claws.
No, you can't.
Nope, no, you can't. She's like, I will not let go, human. You're so silly.
It's got a catnip in it.
She's just staring at you like, I want my catnip. I want it now. Nom.
Eat it.
Here, you take care of that.
Oh my God.
Sweater.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
What are you doing? What on earth are
I
you
swear it's
doing?
not cat food.
Being a cat.
What are you
What is he doing? He's being a cat.
Oh my god, does this squeak? No, it doesn't.
No, it just makes fun.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's just gonna make him high. Oh, look at those claws. Look at those
So
claws.
what exactly is this for?
Just a stress buster.
Yeah, stress reliever. I remember they had this last year. They had this last year right before an OChem exam.
Yeah.
I'm like, thank God.
What are you doing?
I want another kitten.
Can I make you dance?
Look at that face.
Can I make you dance?
Look at that face.
Can I make you dance?
Dance? Cat? I'm a kitty cat. And I dance, and I dance.
You are mad now.
Yeah.
You're mad.
Aww. Poor little guy.
What are you
Yeah.
gonna do? Bite me? What are you gonna do? Bite me? You're vicious. You're so vicious. Oh my goodness, you're vicious.
They're all vicious.
What's that? What?
It's over there.
What?
There's people coming in. There's more and more people coming in.
Where's that little bobtail kitten?
I know, where'd it go? Oh, there's a black and white one over there.
There's one. That one looks like my kitten. This one looks like my baby boy.
I want another one so bad.
I want none of your fuckery. Nothing.
Oh my goodness. This little guy's so adorable.
I was outside of 308 and I got fallen on.
Hello, buddy.
That sucks. How do you explain that one to your parents?
I already did.
Aww. This one doesn't even have a little tail. He doesn't have a tail. Little guy. Aww.
Look at his little butt.
Don't make fun of his no tail. He's so cute.
I can't even handle how cute this cat is right now. I've been following it for a little. Not gonna lie.
Okay, this camera needs to focus. Oh my god, it's like a little baby. Oh, I love those little eyes of yours. You're so adorable.
Pet right there. Pet.
This is a very happy kitty.
Oh my god, it's so soft. It's so soft.
This is making me miss my two cats at home really badly right now.
I'm fine.
I'm so happy right
I just have my baby. My mom made a vlog for my
Hi.
for school.
Oh my goodness, you are so adorable. This camera needs to stop blurring all the time. There we go.
Are you just recording the whole entire thing?
No, I've just been recording little bits and pieces of it.
Wait. Who wants to feel him purring? Because he's like still here with us. Really quick. You okay?
Oh my god. Look at her feet. Look how she has like her feet up like that. Oh my god.
Come meet my cat. Come meet my cat.
It's so
Come meet
adorable.
my cat. He doesn't have a tail. He doesn't have a tail.
He doesn't have a tail.
These little
That's actually
That's my cat. I'm here until 7. You should stay, baby.
I will be here all day.
It goes until 8. I think he's like.
Oh my god. Looks like he's getting tired.
My niece was 7. My niece was 7 Zumba last week.
That kitten is so comfortable right now.
Yeah, I'm like a little baby.
Aww.
I can't even. This cat is so comfortable right now. I know. I was gonna send you a picture.
She looks like she's just gonna pass out like any second. Just be like, nope.
We need another cat. We have a big group. We need more than one cat.
Is there a place to get another cat? Because I will.
They're just like running around all over the place.
Yeah, well,
Most people are already holding one though.
Because I've been walking around with this cat. Would you mind taking a picture of me? This cat.
Oh my god. You are too adorable. Oh, she's squinting her eyes. Oh,
He's looking at the camera and everything. Oh my god. I'm gonna give you my number and you're gonna send that to me. Or actually, like, post it to Facebook or something, and then, yeah.
you are the cutest thing. Oh my god. He just doesn't want to leave. He's just like, I am so fine right now. I am so fine.
You're fighting my hand, bud.
Is he getting playful?
Hey, look at that face.
He was playing.
Hang on, I think he's falling asleep.
Oh my god.
You are the cutest thing.
I think he's falling asleep.
Oh, look at his little paws.
Like a fuck is your problem, man? Jesus Christ, you're so cute. I just walked out.
Oh goodness, I see claws. I see claws. Nah. Aww.
Yum yum yum.
Oh god, it's so ferocious.
It looks like he's just play biting. Really, that's all he's doing.
Oh yeah, those are friendly. Those are love nibbles.
I worked in an animal hospital for a year and a half, so I've seen this before.
This is the first time I've ever not had pets.
Well, I gave my fish radiation poisoning.
Aww, hi.
I don't know how he's staying. We need to put him in, like, he was on my bookshelf and he was in the dark.
Yeah, my cats would never do this. My cat's like, you would hold him for like a minute and they'd be like, okay, no, I'm out of here.
Boy or a girl? Do we know or no?
So I have two guys.
Oh, what? Because
I have two guys. I don't know. I don't know.
We're going with radiation poisoning. This is funny.
I don't know. Is this one a guy or girl? Does anyone know?
You can't tell with cats.
This is the cutest one here.
That's a boy.
He has a brother.
It is a boy?
That's a boy.
It's a girl, Nickel. Ow. Let's name him Philip. Last night I watched a cat. Don't touch his junk.
I didn't.
Ah!
Kirsten on chat roulette.
He's going to attack.
Kirsten
Oh!
was like, alright, we're done.
Oh! Look at his little chin. Oh! My cat.
Can I take 8?
My cats absolutely love it when you tickle their chin. They just go nuts.
Can I take 10? Okay. I can't see. I can't see. No, you can't.
Oh, he's giving you kisses. He's giving you kisses.
We could go get it from Logan. Haley, I think tonight I'm gonna have to hold you like this.
Oh my god.
I'll bite your face.
You are so comfortable right now. You're not even moving. What in the world? He's just like, wee! Woo!
Okay, sorry. It's okay.
Oh, that was adorable. Oh my god.
Cats don't take good pictures. I don't.
Just because your phone can't.
Wee!
He really likes having his arms.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't even help.
Oh my god.
Right now. That is so cute.
Hello.
It's like a slow Loris.
Oh my god, David, look. No, wait, you're David. Fuck, Luke.
What?
He's like staring at you like, oh my god,
No, I don't want
what
all
a majestic unicorn.
I want the really
Hi, buddy.
I want that one.
Can I have 10?
He's like, nah.
David, can you give me 10?
I don't have it.
I wish I could lick my own armpit like that.
Look at him reaching up. Like, nah. Oh, I see his claws. I see his claws. Oh, God. Woo! This kitten's having way
Oh,
too
you
much
made a
fun.
friend.
Oh no, I've gotten myself into a predicament that I don't think I can get myself out of.
It's okay, I got this.
Let me like this too.
No, he's
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
Oh, he's like, no, don't pet my head. You hear?
Can I have that one?
Yes.
You know, like get all of them.
Wait. He does a trick.
There we go. Hi, Meg. Look at this
Oh, my
kitten.
God. That is so funny. Whee!
No, wait, ready? What is the cutest animal on earth? Oh, I know.
This guy.
Oh my god.
Another cute kittens. It doesn't matter. Come look at this.
I want to steal you so badly right now.
Can have him. Whoa.
Oh, okay.
Oh, camera, focus. There you go.
Wait, ready? Super kitten.
Super kitties! Oh, you're so adorable.
I'm getting curious now. Oh, bye, sweetie. Here, I'll grab his butt.
Okay, ready? Right? Wait, need your legs straight out.
I do.
Just trust us. Okay, now I can't move my. No, I can't take you, sweetie. That is David.
Sweetie pie. Oh my goodness. Woo!
Oh, there he goes.
Oh.
Wait, now do his armpit.
There he goes.
Woo!
High five. Yeah.
Look at this guy.
I can't even.
Wait, come on. Oh. No, you're good. You don't have to go anywhere.
Hello. Hello, my friend. You are so adorable.
Jamie's soft side always comes out with the kitties.
Aww. Hello. Look at that face. Look at that. I got it from when it was like
Oh, you've been working out?
Hello, guys.
I just started again. I drank so much over the summer. It was like, I actually got in shape over the summer, and then for the summer I just drank.
Hey, are you guys going to that street thing?
How's this guy doing? Hi, bud. Come on. Hey. Hello. Don't mind me, I just have a camera. He's so cute. There was like a little black one on the loose a while ago. I think someone else got him though.
Was on the list. I don't know if he is now.
Yeah, I think someone got him. Oh my god.
So I need you to convince all the rest of the
I was holding this one earlier. It's so adorable. Hi.
Cass, you have to make sure it's
Oh my god. Sweetie. What are you doing? Oh, you're so adorable.
Are you videotaping this?
Yeah. I've been videotaping little bits of this.
Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you catch that on video?
Yeah. Probably did. Oh, hello, honey.
Sandpaper.
Hello, honey. I think I've got like about like 15 minutes worth of footage on this. I'm just kittens. I'm just kittens being petted. Hello. Oh, you're so cute.
And I have to go like that room first.
Yeah, but I'll definitely give it.
We got like several other groups with kittens.
I'm a freak. Yeah. I play with cats all day.
Hi, bud. Camera, focus. Focus camera. There you go. Oh, I think he's tired. Oh, kittens, 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 kittens. Kittens everywhere. What are you looking at, bud?
Feed him today.
Oh, we got a black one over there. I think that's the one I was holding over way over there. Hi. No, bud. I can't get out of here. Oh, there's CJ. Hi, CJ. I've been holding kittens all night. I know. He's so adorable. He was sneezing earlier. Yeah, he was sneezing. There's this little black one that has no tail.
It's a mix, or is it just like, or it just doesn't have one?
I'm not sure, but it was so adorable. Like the group I was with,
Yeah.
like they were like holding it on its lap,
Yeah.
or like on its back, and it had like a thing out like that. It was the cutest thing I've ever seen.
So I was going to get another cat. If my brother didn't look that good.